Ready to turn your Illustrator skills into seriously eye-catching prints? Let's dive in. First, let's set up our artboard. Go to File, New, and choose your desired print size. A common size for prints is 12 by 18 inches, or you can create a custom size to fit your unique needs. I'm selecting 12 by 18 inches and hitting Create. Color is key to aesthetic designs. Open the Swatches panel by going to Window, Swatches instead of using default colors. Try creating your own harmonious palettes. You can use websites like Coolers or Adobe Color to generate pleasing color schemes. Once you've found a palette you love, add the hex codes to your swatches. Time to add elements. Use the shape tools rectangle, ellipse, polygon to create your base shapes. Experiment with different sizes and arrangements. Don't be afraid to overlap and play with negative space. The pen tool allows us to create more intricate shapes and designs. Patterns add depth and interest. Double-click a shape to enter isolation mode. Then go to Object, Pattern, Make. Now you can adjust the spacing, size, and tile type of your pattern. Experiment with different patterns to find the perfect fit. Text can be a powerful design element. Use the Type tool to add your chosen text. Explore different fonts, serif, sans serif, script to find one that complements your design. You can also add effects like drop shadows or outlines to make your text pop. Finally, refine your layout. Use the Arrange options. Bring to front, send to back to layer your elements effectively. Pay attention to balance and composition. Make sure everything feels cohesive and visually appealing. Grouping objects makes it easier to move and resize elements while maintaining their relative positions. And there you have it, your own aesthetic print, ready to be shared or sold. Now go experiment and create your own unique designs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tutorials.